In Sterling, Alaska, our mission is to bring compassionate and dependable senior home care to families who need it most. We provide trusted 24-hour care, ensuring your loved one is always supported. With specialised memory care, dignified personal care and heartfelt companion care, we make daily life safer and more meaningful. We are proud to honour those who have served with dedicated veterans care, while also supporting family caregivers with services that ease the weight of daily responsibilities. When it's time to come home from the hospital, our hospital transition program makes recovery smoother and more comfortable. We also provide Aide services, empowering individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities to thrive at home and in the community. Reach out to us today.